Okay, okay, okay. So this is a Gram app for um for people who don't have too many job opportunities. You could use this to make some money. So what you do is you could go to free, yeah, free, and then you could roll. But when the time is ready, you roll, and then you could win some grams. Then you could go to smart contract. You wait for the time to tick down, and then you take the contract. Then you could watch some videos. Yeah, you watch some videos, you do a video review. Then when you're doing that, uh, right now I have a 90 something gram, 96.9. So when you get up to 500 grams, you could withdraw. Let me show you what I mean. No, not Bitcoin. Mastercard, you withdraw. Let me just put funny numbers so you don't need to know my card. Then gram, you see 90. I have 96 gram. And then you press withdraw. It shows you need up to 500 gram or equal to more than to withdraw. Yeah, that is how you make money online. It is totally free, safe. No, don't be scared.